So brachiocephalic from here, brachiocephalic from here make the superior vena cava. How the brachiocephalic is made?
From the subclavian.
Subclavian and the jugular. Here and here. So here is one subclavian, another subclavian, brachiocephalic, another brachiocephalic, superior vena cava. Khala. Here is the level of bifurcation of trachea. Here is the ascending, or the ascending is with the heart. So this is part is probably the start of arch of aorta. So all this is arch of aorta. Arch of aorta has how many branches? From 1, 2 and 3. What?
Brachiocephalic.
Brachiocephalic trunk on the right side. So one here, brachiocephalic trunk. Obad, 2. Left common carotid, left subclavian. Some is visible here, some on this model. Okay. If I go from superficial to deep, sathai to amik, how I will reach? The first will here will be the trachea. Here is the thyroid gland. Trachea. Remove. Go tahat is the esophagus. This is sometimes known as tubal layer. Tubal yani the two tubes together. Where is the pretracheal area? In front. Where is paratracheal? On side. Where is retro? On the back. Okay? So, shift it here. Bring me this one first. Both of these. Okay. Here how I look on it. Okay? Okay. Here is the diaphragm.
Yes.
Okay? Where is the mediastinum? This all is mediastinum. We have removed the middle mediastinum. We have removed the anterior. These are the contents of the posterior part. Surely? So here is the aorta with the arch of aorta.
Yes.
See the branches from the aorta. Good? See, here is the esophagus going to the diaphragm, and after here is the stomach. Okay? Here is the phrenic nerve.
Where is the phrenic? And the vagus, where are they?
Vagus I can't see. There are certain divided areas here. Okay? So, but very clearly here is the phrenic. Phrenic.
The left phrenic
Yes.
and the right.
And what
Here.
is this one?
This is something not very clear here. Maybe some, not some visceral structure, maybe some connective tissue left over. We will go them here. Okay? This is what?
Right.
Main bronchus. Here is the right main bronchus with its bronchioles. Actually, the lung tissue, yes, the terminal one. The lung tissue has been cut off to show. If there was a lung like this and another, we could not see these structures. So, lung tissue has been cut to show the bronchiolar level and to show the structures underneath in the posterior. Come here. This is arch of aorta. Cut everything aorta. From here, aorta must enter into the abdominal cavity. So this is the abdominal aorta. Here is the arch of aorta. From arch of aorta, you can see clear 3 branches. 1, 2 and 3.
Yes.
Okay. Then, here is what? What is this one? Superior vena cava. Superior vena cava formed by brachiocephalic here, brachiocephalic here. See subclavian, subclavian. See jugular. Good. Then, yes, very big jugular, even very big aorta here. Yeah, so big. Okay, what is this?
Azygos.
Azygos vein.
Yes.
It's not usually so much dilated. Actually, it's a collapsed structure, but here in this model, probably they have inflated it or something. So to make you very obvious, here is the azygos vein. See here, azygos vein is going to superior vena cava. So this is the very beautiful stage when if there is obstruction here, the flow can be directed here. Or but yes. So here is the azygos vein. Hemizygous vein is not visible here. Okay? These are some.
Hemizygous or not hemizygous?
Where? This one?
Oh, this visible.
No, this is small. These are small nerves. These are probably intercostal nerves. Okay? Here is the diaphragm. What is this opening?
Vena cava.
Caval opening. And what is this opening? Esophageal opening.
Yes.
Esophageal opening.
For question,
Very.
there also be just identification. The
Identification this structure. Okay. See here. Diaphragm. Okay. Diaphragm. Aorta. Aortic opening. Vena caval opening. Somewhere here must be esophageal opening after this, or leave it. See here. What structure? Arch of aorta. Good. See vena cava. Vena cava with formation. See trachea with bronchi, and go tahat. Even deep. esophagus. After aorta, here is the esophagus, this one. So again, aorta, superior vena cava, right main bronchus, left main bronchus, aorta, descending thoracic, esophagus. Good? See here, thoracic duct.
Where is it inclusive duct? How can I differentiate as a zygos?
Yeah, esophagus is a very big structure here visible. Most of the time, these are very precious models. Most of the time, we don't see even on the real cadavers because they are mostly collapsed or atrophied.
Both of them.
Yes, both
Both
of them.
azygos and thoracic.
Yes. So here is the thoracic duct, and yes, here is the no, not hemizygous. This structure is the not posterior. This sympathetic chain. Sympathetic chain going here. So here are the sympathetic ganglia on each of the vertebral area. Here is the sympathetic chain. If you follow the sympathetic chain, it will go down and unite with it. Good. That the lateral view of mediastinum is visible. Good. See here. If I make it like this, I'm sorry for the other one. Here, pericardium. Here, diaphragm. Esophagus or aorta going back. Here, see diaphragm. See pericardium. See phrenic nerve. Still more back. Esophagus must be this one
Yes, that's
because going into the superior vena.
Where is the zygos?
Good, Shabab? Understand? This is Mojood on desktop. If you wish, take it now. Or wait for my back time for further. Yes.
Do you want this to talk?
No, leave it. There's not a. The same structure.
Finish, Doctor?
Yes.